Hey there, friends. My name is Jeff Fritz, and I want to talk to you today about Blazor. Now, what is Blazor besides a magical purple jacket? Um, Blazor is a new user interface framework from the .NET team that allows you to compose and build front ends to your applications with C#, HTML, and Razor templates. You're going to be able to build using components and compose those into pages that you can then use inside of your applications, whether they run on a server or directly on a client. In this series of videos, we're going to introduce you to all kinds of features about Blazor that are going to get you interested, excited, and hopefully inspired to build your first Blazor application. Now, Blazor is completely open source and free for anybody to develop with. You can find all the tools you need at blazor.net. And all the source code is available free online at github.com/.net/ASP.NET Core.